One.
What book have you got?
Second.
Where's your book? Do you want to read it to Mummy?
Mommy.
All right, where do we start? Dog,
Dog.
cat,
Cat. Hamster.
hamster,
Hmm?
rabbit,
Dog.
cow,
Cow. Yes.
sheep, squeeze, pig.
Pig.
What sound does it make? Shh, good. Horse,
Horse.
mouse.
Yes.
What's this one? Goat
Goat.
and hen.
Hen.
What's that one? You know that one? What is it?
Hog.
Is it frog? And this one is a quack, quack, quack. Duck.
Darling.
A duck.
Ring.
Yeah.
Darling.
And this one?
The.
Did Daddy read you the book? And what's this one? A fish. What's on the next page? A scary... What's this one? What's this one?
Lion.
Lion and a snake.
Mike.
What's this one?
The.
Crocodile. Snap, snap.
Ma.
Do you remember this one? Tiger.
Taco.
Giraffe.
Buff.
Hippopotamus.
Wow.
Hippo.
Football.
Do you remember this one?
Monkey.
Who's a monkey?
Ring.
Parrot.
Monkey. Monkey.
This is a big elephant.
Monkey.
Monkey. Elephant.
Bun. But.
What's this one? A whale.
Hello.
Octopus.
Four.
And last one. Crab.
Ta. Ne.
Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Ma.